Hello everyone! Today, my little corner looks a bit overwhelmed, wouldn't you say? But even a small space can be a source of calm and inspiration with a little care. We'll begin by tidying up a bit, making space for our little project. Much better. A clear space always sparks new ideas, doesn't it? Today, we're taking this simple glass jar and turning it into something magical. First, let's give our jar a little bath to ensure it's perfectly clean and ready. A good scrub removes any dust or smudges, making sure our light shines brightest. Rinse, rinse, rinse. We want it sparkling just like new. And now, a gentle dry. Patience is key for a truly beautiful finish. There we go. Our blank canvas is ready for some magic. For decoration, I love using these delicate, almost transparent stickers. Each one adds a tiny whisper of beauty to our little lamp. Let your creativity flow. There's no right or wrong way to make it your own. See how beautifully the light will play through these designs later? Next, for a touch of natural elegance, I love using small dried flowers. These add a lovely organic texture and a whisper of nature to our lamp. You can use any small flowers you love, fresh or dried, depending on your style. See? It's already starting to feel so special, so personal. Now for the heart of our lamp, the fairy lights. These little stars bring everything to life. Carefully, we nestle them among our dried flowers, creating a soft, glowing embrace. Distribute them evenly so every corner of our jar gets to sparkle. And now, for the grand reveal. Watch our little world come to life. Oh, isn't that just breathtaking? So warm and inviting. To finish our masterpiece, a touch of ribbon adds charm and elegance. Choose a color that speaks to your heart, something that complements your cozy space. This final touch is like a little hug, tying all our love and effort together. And there you have it! Our glowing glass jar lamp is complete. Isn't it amazing what we can create with just a little intention and a few simple items? Now, let's find its perfect home in our refreshed, cozy study nook. Every detail, every glimmer contributes to a space that truly feels like you. It's more than just a lamp. It's a tiny beacon of warmth, of creativity. This little lamp reminds me that even small efforts can bring so much light and joy. It truly transforms the atmosphere, creating a peaceful haven right here. I hope this inspires you to find your own simple joys in crafting. Thank you for joining me today. May your own corners be full of inspiration. Sometimes, a simple fern leaf can add such delicate artistry to our design. Precision helps to achieve that balanced, harmonious look inside the jar. Even a small addition can completely change the character of our lamp. Little imperfections are charming, but sometimes we can perfect them a bit more. For a more rustic touch, natural twine can be a wonderful alternative to ribbon. Even after they're in, we can always make small adjustments to perfect their glow. This little space has truly transformed into a sanctuary of calm and light. It's a reflection of patience, creativity, and the simple joy of making.
Every tiny element plays a part in the overall beauty. Don't be afraid to adjust.
Choosing the right length of lights is important for a full, luminous effect. Even without the lights, the stickers create such lovely patterns in the sunlight. Sometimes it's the tiniest details, the finishing touches, that make all the difference. This soft glow is perfect for quiet evenings, for reading, or just for dreaming. Each little detail, carefully chosen, tells its own quiet story. Creating something with your own hands brings a unique kind of happiness, doesn't it? It becomes a part of your daily rhythm, a gentle presence in your space. Even after it's done, you can always play with its placement to find its best angle. The little bow, our final flourish, catches the light beautifully, doesn't it? It's a small reminder of the beauty we can bring into our lives with our own hands. This little jar reminds me that even a small corner can be full of inspiration and warmth.